Oh my gosh, guys. So, last video got cut off for some reason, and we got 13 minutes again. Probably my memory is going out. I know, I don't have a big memory phone, but let's see what we can record. Remember, like and follow, subscribe. Alright, let's go again. Be careful. She wants to go this way. Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Alright, go. Ay, this is going to hit my face.
Sorry.
Be careful, okay? Be super careful. Watch where you're going. Sometimes there could be snakes.
Hey, stop telling me that.
You want me to tell the truth? Alright, we're going to go only right there, okay? Oh, hey.
Hey,
Oh my gosh. Okay, right there. Stop.
down here.
No, not
Go
down
down
there.
there. Go down.
No,
Go
I'm not
down.
stepping. No, I'm not stepping over there. We're going to go down here, and that's it. I want to go and see what is that thing over there. Alright, wait. Alright, be careful. Step right here. Good. Ah! Be careful. That's going to poke your eyes. Hold on. It's not moving anymore.
Sorry.
Right. Look, guys, we found more trash in here. This is super sad.
It's from Manusita.
Yeah, we have these things called nusitas.
They're from El Salvador.
It's like a sweet candy. They're from El Salvador.
I want to see if
Listen. Shh.
I want to see if I can get some gold.
She wants to find some gold, guys, or some shark teeth. You know.
Why do you think I have this net?
Alright, it's kind of gloomy over here, the water.
By accident, I did that.
Alright, we're going to shake it. Since we don't have a special thing, and meanwhile she's doing that, I'm going to be doing
Found
this.
some gold. I literally found some gold.
There's a worm. Don't touch a worm.
Not
There's
that.
a worm.
Not that.
Disgusting. Okay. Sorry, I don't like worms, guys. Yeah, worms are not my favorite. Yeah, I threw the cup all the way over there so we can pick it up when we leave. Okay? Alright, what are you
I
doing?
found a flower somewhere in the creek.
Okay, listen. Now that we're here, we gotta find some rocks, okay? I think I found one. Oh, look at that one. Is it big?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Okay. You want to go a little further down?
No, we got this rock and now we leave.
You sure?
Yep.
Oh, I like this one right here, but I can't get it out.
Come on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay, bye.
Why you don't want to come? Alright. Oh my gosh. You guys, look down there. You see all of that? You see all of these? This is harming our planet, guys. Even though a little creek. I know. We're in a little creek. But there could be creatures living down here. Look, my daughter is leaving me. Okay, let me go. You're not one away from me. You're not waiting for me. That's not cool. Did you take the rock? Ow, 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 ow. This thing poked me. Ouch. Okay, I'm on my way. Hold on. Alright, let's go. Come on. Hey! Let's go this way. Real quick. I want to go see if we find some flowers. Real quick, okay? She's coming. She didn't want to come. She's coming. Oh, the flowers are gone. The flowers are gone. Okay. Should we return?
No. Yes.
Okay. She wants to return.
Bye.
Alright, wait for me. Wait. Oh. Ah. Okay, this is tough. Okay. She has left me behind. This is super cool. And I'm teaching my daughter how she should take care of nature. You know, she found a shovel again. Do me a favor. Oh, be careful. This thing is spikes. Has spikes. You know, these things right here give wild berries. They're very sweet and very delicious. Alright, she left the shovel right here. I'm gonna try to put it right there. And I'm gonna put my stick on top of it. Hopefully we remember. You know. Alright, she's going to start to pick up the trash that we left. See? She's back at the creek. And I'm following her, you know. Let's see. It's a beautiful day. See? I love this day. Found some more. Oh, you washed the rock. No, not that. Alright, we found some rocks that she's going to be creating some stuff in it.
There's more water.
You guys want to hear something really cool? Every time we come over here, we have to listen because it's really
There's
cool.
There's more water.
Listen. What is it?
More water.
Okay. You guys, listen. It's amazing, right? Alright, let's go. Look at the bright, sunny sky up there. Look at her. She's amazing. Yay! She's trying to get some stuff out of the sand. Now pick that thing up because I can't be carrying it over there. Over the rocks. Okay. So what are you doing? Can you tell us what you're doing?
Worms.
Can you tell us what else you're doing?
Worms.
What else did you find?
Huh?
What else did you find?
I found some gold and some shark teeth. But I didn't want to grab it because there was 2 worms.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Where else we're going, Mama? Oh, these were the flowers that we were looking for. Up there, look. They're so gorgeous.
Look, guys.
Yay! Alright, you gotta pick up the trash. And you gotta put it on the bag.
I feel
What?
like jumping.
No, don't jump. She's so jumping.
Today.
First jump off today.
Rocks.
Yay!
Look.
Say something?
Yellow.
She's my life. No, that's gooiness.
I do not kill. I still want to play with you.
Okay, get it out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. How about the fish eat that type of stuff? Nuh-uh. Alright, you guys, our time is coming up to an end. You guys want to like us and follow. And
We're gonna
subscribe.
do a part 2.
We're going to keep on doing more videos. And
We're gonna do a part 2.
And we're going to do another part.
A part 2.
This is a part 2. We're going to do a part 3. Yay! Follow us on TikTok too. We're going to drop the links down below.
Can I also say something to my friends that have been watching
Yes.
YouTube?
Yes.
Shout out to my best friends that have been watching YouTube forever.
All right, guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye.